Hey YouTube family, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. So today I'm getting ready to do just I don't even know if I want to call it a tutorial, but I'll just say I'm just gonna show you how I'm going to stuff my flower pot and then add some greenery or either rocks to it. So let me flip the camera. This pot here, remember when I DIY'd and spray painted this pot from the home goods store? And so, yeah, I don't have usually put anything down in my plants because I like to switch stuff up so much. And like I said, I have the grass and everything, bags of that, and I just don't use it. But this time I think I might want to put rocks around in here. And so I got these bags right here, and it's with paper. The paper that comes, that home goods give you so much paper when they get ready to, when you're purchasing something from them, wrapping up your stuff. So, all right, I'm getting ready to get started.